Fortunately, we have another week out there, Jack. So it gives us time to monitor it without the premium crush settling in right now. As we get, though, towards the end of this week, we certainly want to take a really good hard look at that and determine that. Okay, let's talk about our JB Hunt position. Okay, we've talked so much about this 200-day moving average, right? That it was above, that was our signal to buy, it dropped below, we were almost ready to bail out, and now it's trending above here. So this is going to be very, very key. Okay, the 200-day moving average is at 99.5. Can it stay above? And if it does, that should signal a nice pop. If it doesn't, like we talked about the other day, we'll probably look to exit out.